Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, I'd like to introduce myself to all BF home owners in Metro Manila. I'm referring to BF Homes Parañaque. I think there is BF Homes in Las Piñas, which is now called uh, BF Homeowners International, Las Piñas. I'm not so sure if there is BF Homes Muntinlupa, BF Homes Caloocan, and BF Homes Quezon City. The reason why I make an important videos is I will place my FB account, which is Steve Rooster Ong. Uh, this the purpose of this video is to I'm inviting you if you can come, but I will not force you to come here in Dumaguete. Important matters to be discussed regarding third opening of Bangko Filipino. By the way, I already know the news of what is happening before the second closure. For me, it's very toxic aside from complicated. By the way, whoever sa inyo ay galing BF Home Owners, yung mga lugar na nabanggit ko, pwede niyo ako i-private message kung saan BF Homes kayo galing. Kasi alam ko majority BF Homes Parañaque, kasi ang alam ko Parañaque malapit sa Makati at meron Parañaque branch that time. So, I'm aware of it. Alam ko na yung Las Piñas at ang I think Muntinlupa. Iba pa yung Caloocan. Of course, iba yung Quezon City. Okay. So, that's it. By the way, hindi to yung dahil sa disposal properties, may iba pa. May iba pa ako i-discuss. Pero hindi ko pwede i-discuss dito sa video kasi maraming mahaba-haba ang discussion. By the way, huwag kayong magtaka sa video ko. Dito sa right side meron init. Kasi dito ako gumawa ng live video. Kasi wala akong makikitang ibang venue na proper vision, yung maliwanag. Kasi minsan kung gagawa ako ng video masyadong malabo, kaya ayun. Okay. By the way, before I say goodbye, I would like to say thank you so much for listening in this video. Good afternoon. Again, this is to all BF homeowners who are residing in Metro Manila. Yung kung sino ang representative in each city. Ay, by the way, pwede kayo mag-meeting. Halimbawa, yung taga Parañaque, makikita sa Las Piñas para magkita tayo personally. Important matters to be discussed. Important matters. Hindi ko pwede sabihin sa video. Of course, this is very confidential. Very confidential. Okay? Walang kwan dito. Walang controversial dito. Wala. This is about ang pag-uusapan is yung third reopening ng Bangko Filipino. Kasi ang point ko dito is simple lang. Paano mabubuksan ulit, rehabilitate, recover, reconstruct. Yun lang. No criticism. No criticism pala. Kasi kung criticize, what will I gain? Diba? Sisi tayo ng sisi. Bangko ba o Bangko Sentral? Diba? Wala. Ang atin is ayusin natin ang problema itong bangko na ito. Kasi kailangan malutas ito sa lalo madaling panahon. Kasi kung hindi, grabe, pahirapan. You should think, as of 2024, it's already 13 years. 13 years. Thank you so much for listening to all BF homeowners all over Metro Manila. Good afternoon.